Hello everyone. Today we will learn Chamfer command situated in Home tab. So create one first sketch. Take any of these. Extrude it to some value. In the Chamfer command, we will see options one by one. It is telling you to select one edge, or you can select multiple edges also. Here is the filter to selecting. You can select single curve or connected edges or face edges. Any of you can select. I am selecting a single one. So I have selected one edge. In the offset section, there is some options such as symmetric, asymmetric, offset and angle. We will see symmetric option first. See, I am giving you the distance of 5 mm. It means from that edge, from that sharp edge, it will come as a 5 mm and it will create one chamfer. So let's see if you can measure that distance from that edge to vertical, from this edge to this distance. If I get a vector, it is a 5 mm. So in the symmetric, whatever distance you are putting, you are getting that from here. So if I put 15 or 20 mm, it will be 20 mm inside. Let's see other option. Here's the asymmetric option. Means there is a two distances. If there is an application that you want to apply asymmetric command, there is a two options. You can directly drag by arrow also, and you can put the values in that dialog box also. So this is a distance 2. As I am dragging, that distance 2 is changing, and this is the distance 1. So I am keeping distance 1 as a 10 mm and distance 2 as a 5 mm. You can reverse the direction also. Here is the vector to select that. As you can see, as I am reversing the direction, the effect is shown in the figure. Okay, that was the asymmetric one. First one was a symmetric, asymmetric, and the last option we will see as a offset and angle. In the offset and angle distance, you have to calculate the distance, how much offset you want, and I am putting angle as a 45 degree. I am selecting one edge. See, this arrow is showing the offset distance, and this circular portion is showing the angle. So if I change the offset distance to 20, this arrow will be going inside. See, and if I increase the angle, this face will be going upward. You can drag it by here also, and you can put in the dialog box also. I am putting 60 over here. Hence, we have seen three types of that chamfer command. We will understand why chamfer command is important. In any picture design or in any product design, if there is any metallic parts you are going to manufacture, then always give chamfers to all edges, such as 0.5 or 1 mm. It's because when any operator or any person will handle that part, that edges should not give problem to their hands while handling. So that's why you always have to give chamfer to 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 delete that sharp edges. That's the main advantage or significance of that chamfer command. I hope you understood. Thank you.